Looking for nail salons in Tracy, California? Our professional nail care services in Tracy, including manicures, pedicures, gel polish, and waxing at reasonable prices, and according to Yelp, one of the best nail salons in California. Like other nail salons in Tracy, California, our location is not far from West Valley Mall and Tracy Walmart Supercenter, between Grant Line Road, Corral Hollow Road and Byron Road, area code 209. Nail salons in Tracy, California. Manicurists offer the best nail care services treatments, using the highest quality materials, equipment, and techniques to ensure that your nails are stunning and long-lasting. We have satisfied customers all around Tracy, California, including Banta, Mossdale, Mountain House neighborhood, and Tracy City Center. In the description, you will find tips from nail salons in Tracy, California for a manicure and do-it-yourself home nail care. Furthermore, there are recommended customers' reviews of nail salons in Tracy, California. To book an appointment at our nail salons in Tracy, California, call us today, area code 209, zip 95377.